All right. Gmail is built by Google. Google's good at searching. Because of that, because Gmail offers gigabytes of storage. That's quite a bit. So, there's not a reason to delete everything. Because of that, I do not delete any emails. Instead, I choose to archive emails. This video is going to show you how. So first off, difference. Deleting gets rid of it. You can't access it after it's been removed from the trash, and your trash shows up over here and cleans itself out automatically every 30 days. So anything that is in this, it gets rid of it. Now, the trash is helpful for a few things. If it is spam, if it is harmful, if it is unwanted, whatnot that you just don't need to have connected there, then that's where I use trash. I delete options there. But archiving is used for anything that I may come back to later. So let's take a look at how. So first of all, I open this email, I read the email, I decide to myself, it's got some decent information, but I don't need it anymore. I'm not going to delete it because I might want to come back to it. I'm going to archive this email. So I know that it's from this LearnStorm idea in Khan Academy. So I archive the email. It's no longer in my inbox, but it is in another place. All mail. So I think of all mail as a box underneath your desk. So I think of my desk as the inbox, the things I'm doing that day or the things that are very topical, the timely and such. But I choose to archive emails that don't need to be on my desk or in my inbox, and I put it into the box underneath. The reason I don't sort it, the reason I don't go out and label a whole lot of things is because I remember, wait a minute, there was something about Khan Academy. I could look up that specific word and find the most recent email, and this location is going to be in my all mail. That box is what I make sense of it as. All right. So I recommend don't delete, archive.